Manual welding suffers from low efficiency and inconsistent weld quality, while imposing high technical requirements on weld operators. How to secure welding quality with less manual work. Discover how Hon's laser robotic welding stations reduce costs, improve efficiency, and restructure welding production modes. Fully integrated unit requires no installation and is ready for immediate use upon delivery. Operation procedure is straightforward, and employees can be put into position with short-term training. Standardly equipped with a CD weld sim observation system, allowing for real-time visibility of the welding position and post-weld effect. Custom developed for laser welding scenarios. Optimized for the thermal deformation characteristics of welded workpieces, ensuring weld consistency and welding quality. Supports various weld sim forms, such as butt welding, lap welding, stack welding, and fillet welding. Equipped with high-performance industrial robots, the system operates at high speeds, doubling daily production capacity and significantly boosting mass production efficiency. Weld sims of workpieces feature an attractive appearance without weld spatter marks, and secondary grinding is unnecessary. Widely used in kitchen and bathroom appliances, sanitary ware, and automotive parts manufacturing, especially for high-quality welding of boxes and large parts.